In this video, we are going to learn how to draw one-point perspective. The first picture in this picture is of Van Gogh's bedroom. This one shows the one-point perspective lines. This image is what we are going to do. My drawing is kind of light, so you'll have to really pay close attention. But we're going to do something very similar to this where we make boxes and they go back to the vanishing point. You need a paper, a ruler, and a pencil. So one-point perspective means that all the images fade to one point in the picture. If you've ever been on a really long road, it looks like there's a point at the end where the road ends. So we're going to do some simple shapes, and I'm going to make a line from one side to the other, pretty much in the middle. And you notice that I lined up my ruler right on the edge, so I get it straight. This line should be parallel to the edges of your paper. Make a point at the middle. That's our point. That's where all the lines lead to. So if I make just a little box, again, I want these lines to be parallel. So I'm just going to draw a little box right here. It can be a rectangle, it doesn't matter. Again, I'm lining up my edge of my ruler. It's okay if you don't have these perfect, and I can see that I don't. And now I'm going to line up my ruler with the bottom of the paper and make a vertical line to connect those. I'm going to do the same on this side. And by all means, pause the video at any point. Now, it's okay if I'm not even going to erase those. So then, that's the front of our box or our tube, whatever you want to say. I'm going to line up this top left corner to that dot. And I'm just going to draw a line with my ruler like that. And I'm going to do the same on this side. And so now it looks like there is a box just pointing to the back. Now, this one doesn't work as well because this is right in front of us. So let's do this again. Let's draw over here another box. I'm going to draw it up here, though. Again, my lines are parallel to the paper. I'm lining up the edges of the edge of my ruler. And I'm going to do that twice to make a box. So again, I draw my box using my ruler, and all of our corners are going to head to that line. And it's okay to turn your paper. So I'm going to go from the bottom right-hand corner to that line, or to that dot, our point, our vanishing point. And I'm going to take each corner to that vanishing point. And now you can see that it gives us space. It gives the illusion that this is, I don't know, it could be a piece of lumber shooting out at us. And you can do them on this side. It's kind of fun to do. You can do all sorts of shapes, but I think starting with rectangles is probably the easiest. Again, lining up my ruler so that I can make parallel lines, lining it up with the edge of the paper. Trying to make it as clean and perpendicular. These lines are perpendicular to the horizontal lines. Okay, so there's my box. Again, I'm going to start down here at this corner. You need to line up your ruler so that you can see the corner and you can see the dot. And it's easier if you drag your pencil as opposed to pushing your pencil. So I would drag my pencil, whichever way you line this up, doesn't matter. Drag the pencil. You have to have enough space for your pencil to make the mark, otherwise it won't look right. So there, now I have 3 rectangles shooting out at us, and this definitely shows space. Try it.